When we think physically in our brain, when we use exclusively our brain, that's physical thinking. Physical thinking is like calculating. You'd never, but just through this systematic calculating type thinking, it's something that a computer comes very close to doing. And in some respects, a computer is far better at calculating than the human brain will ever be. But the moment you begin to think not in a calculating way, but the moment you think in pictures, which means you're using your helping with the help of your etheric body, you're no longer thinking exclusively with the brain. You actually can think outside your brain. So you can experience this yourself. So for instance, if I say to you, let's do this little exercise. Think of a number between 1 and 10. Now multiply that number with 3. Divide it in half. Add 27. Divide it in half again. What's your number? But now observe your brain activity while you were doing this. Where were you in your body when you were doing that? Okay, now I'll give you a different task. Now I'm asking you, what's the essence of the daffodil, and how is that essence of the daffodil different to the essence of the snowdrop? When you think about this question, are you in the same place in your body as when you did the calculations earlier? You'll find that the first one, you were right inside your brain. With the second one, you're more around somewhere around the outside, probably towards the back or above, but not directly as deeply inside as your brain as you were when you did the calculations. This second type of thinking is the very thing that computers cannot do. There's always this movement between the head and the heart. And so this is why it's dangerous for artists to exclusively work with a computer.
可以说逻辑思维是物质思考吗？
Logical thinking is calculating, yes, but that doesn't mean that creative thinking is illogical. You need to have logical thinking both in creative thinking and in physical thinking.